Hazrat Abu Abdur Rahman Sulami narrates that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu told that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched me, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam, and Hazrat Abu Marthad Ghanavi, while we were all riding to an expedition, saying, "Go until you reach the Roza Khakh. There you will find a woman carrying a letter of Hatib bin Abi Baltha, which she is taking to the Makkan polytheists." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu says, "We captured her while she was going on a camel, as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had told us." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "We asked her to give us the letter she had. She replied that she had no letter. So we made her camel kneel down and searched her litter, but found nothing. My both companions said, 'We don't find anything with her.'" He says that he knows well that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has not told a lie. By him whose oath is taken, you should either pass the letter on to us or I will strip you off. He states, when she felt the strictness on my part, she moved her hand towards the upper turned up part of her lower garment, as she had wrapped a blanket in place of wrapper, and took out the letter. He says, we took it and set out towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Hatib, what motivated you to do what you did?" He radiyallahu anhu submitted, "I will say nothing but this, that I believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have neither changed nor have I undergone any transformation. I intended to do these people a favor, so that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may keep them away from harming my family and property. Whereas there is none amongst your companions who does not have any relatives there, through whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu safeguards that person's own family and property." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "He has spoken the truth, so none should pass any remarks about him except the good." The transmitter says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, permit me to sever his head, as he has betrayed Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Umar, don't you know that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in spite of being fully aware of the affairs of the Badr participants, has said, 'Do what you want, for paradise has been decreed for you.'" Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu says, then Hazrat Umar's radiyallahu anhu eyes brimmed with tears, and he submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6259.